something else. That's for you. It's for you.
Wow.
Yeah, Elmo's in there. Look. What is it? What's in there? You want to see? What is it? What is it?
Can you say thank you, Uncle Luke?
You want to see him?
Jonah. Hey, mister. Say thank you.
He's so soft. Do you like him?
The tag.
Oh. Let me take the tag off? Yeah. Clip.
Can you say thank you to your Uncle Luke? Look at the camera. Say thank you.
Is that better?